So just wanted to do a quick video to show you how nice this RC truck is and everything that it comes with. It comes with the truck itself. Let's see how cool that looks. And then we have the remote and your USB charger for the truck. And this has a little connector end here so that you can connect that directly to the truck to charge. And that's just underneath if you open up the battery pack. And you can plug it in and charge it there. And then you got your on-off switch right there. And you got your on-off switch here for your remote as well. And then controls are super easy to use. This little trigger here, forward, backwards. You can just pull it to go forward and then push it to go backwards. And then you got your wheel here, which is actually to turn right and left. But yeah, this thing is really nice and moves really fast. Pretty cool.
So to go in reverse, we go up. To go forward, we push in. Practice.